27 has taken care of that. But when I look at Section 27, Bwana Waziri, it is much more on the contribution of SHIF. I would want to know, Bwana Waziri, of the measures that have been put in place, that there is a follow-up from SHA that ensures a follow-up from SHA that ensures you explain that Linda Mama is not in place, but it has been substituted. What is SHA doing to ensure that there is a follow-up of these funds specifically for Linda Mama? At the same time, the issues of capacity building, Mr. Speaker. Waziri, you've talked about digitalization and transparency. I have noticed, yes, your team is on the ground doing the digital registration, especially to these young teenagers under 18 who have no national ID, putting in place to ensure that even the young mothers who are not aware that they can actually get these services, they can know that these services are, that there is that capacity.
Yes, Senator Mutinda, avoid speeches. Go straight to the question, please.
Okay, Mr. Speaker. I know the young mothers we've met in hospitals, they have no even phone, they have no documentation. What has been put in place to ensure that even those ones with nothing are being assisted with the shortest time, because sometimes they always explain to us that they have just been kept in hospital, just waiting, to hope that things will be sorted within the shortest time possible. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, is mechanisms to monitor transparency and accountability of SHA funds